Chris and Jamie here with Project Double J. We decided to go shopping today for a couple little items that leave a big impact. So we put a 1 3/4 inch lift kit on this Jeep so far. We're planning to go even bigger and add some 35-inch tires. But we already have a problem being 5'6", getting in and out of the vehicle. So what am I talking about here? A couple little grab handles for the front. We're going to install these today, and we'll grab some for our passengers as well. We're going to throw in the back just to ease us getting in and out of the vehicle when we're on and off the trail.